So this might sound harsh, but this is the truth, okay? We are so ignorant. Phenomenal things are happening all around us every second and every microsecond, yet we just don't care for anything. We don't pause to appreciate the little creatures or even the vast universe for sustaining life around us and within us. We don't pause to thank the forces that are giving us one more breath before we can even ask for it. We ignore the present to be in the future. We ignore our blessings to focus our energies to complain only about our misfortunes. We ignore the beauty of the flower but forget not to swear at the prick of the thorn. We are really ignorant. And the irony is, we are ignoring the most significant happenings to chase the most insignificant priorities. So, to me, the 17th stanza of Tiruvampavai is a little reminder to all of us that it's time for some gratitude.
சிங்கன் அவன் பால் திசை முகன் பால் தேவர்கள் பால் எங்கும் விழாதோர் இன்பம் நம் பாலதா கொங்குன் கரும் குழலி நந்திம்மை கோதாட்டி இங்க நம்மில்லங்கள் செங்கமல பொற்பாதம் தந்தருளும் சேவகனை அங்கன்னரசை அடியோர்காரமுதை நங்கள் பெருமானை பாடி நலந்திகழ பங்கைய பொம்பொனில் பாய்ந்து
If something comes to us way too easy, we have to value it even more because it's not through our effort that we got it. Someone else's grace has gone into it. The grace of the divine has gone into it. So Shiva, as we saw in the previous stanzas, and you would understand, he's quite unconventional, right? Like he's a force indescribable. So practically you cannot experience him with conventional logic, thinking, knowledge, wealth, nothing. The only way to reach him is with absolute love and devotion. That method comparatively sounds easy because we need not learn anything to do that, right? But just try it, no? For a moment, close your eyes and try to think of nothing else but Shiva. We'll think of everything else but Shiva. Only if we are absolutely in love with him is it possible to think only of him. The tricky thing here is, to reach this state of love, we again need his blessings. Without his will, no one can think of him. No one can recognize him. No one can appreciate the magic that he is creating all around us every moment. Such a magnificent force has made himself fully present and available during the sweet morning hours of Margari. Let us not be ignorant of this. Let us fill our hearts with love and most importantly with so much gratitude to go towards the divine at this golden hour. Until we meet tomorrow, may your sadhana continue to deepen.